I know the reason why you click this video, because you want to know how you can save and earn up to 50,000 naira and above monthly by producing and selling your own cleaning products, body products, hair products, germicides, disinfectant, etc. If this is your reason for clicking this video, then you are in the right place. That is what I am here to explain to you. My name is Abonyo Zoma. I am the founder of Home Magic Ventures, where we produce, package and sell effective household cleaning products. Yes, I am a wife, a mother of 4 beautiful children. I am a biochemist and I am a stay-at-home mom. And that is the main reason I started this business, because I needed a business that I can comfortably run from home, that will give me that boss feeling of being my own boss, having the time for my family, for myself, and for my business. And that is why I am bringing this business to you. So in this our training, we are going to train on 20 different productions, on cleaning products, body products, hair products, cleaning products like towels cleaner, toilet cleaner, air freshener, bleach, liquid soap, and the rest. Hair products like shampoo, conditioner, hair cream, hair butter, etc. Body products like glutathione lightening lotion, body butter, Vaseline, bathing bar soap, etc. Germicides like Izal, antiseptics like Dettol, and etc. And the good thing about this our training is because it's coming with an ebook and videos that will guide you in your own production and make the production very easy and simple for you. So I know you are eagerly waiting to hear how you can actually save from this business. Yes, this is exactly why I'm here. That is the reason why I am here to explain it to you. Everything you need to know about this training. How can you now save from this business, from this production business? Yes, you will agree with me that every single person uses a cleaning product, body product, hair product on daily basis. Yes, it's an essential product. Even you watching me now, you must have used liquid soap or bleach or bathing bar soap, or you rubbed cream on your body, or Vaseline or hair cream. You must have used 2 or 3 different types of this production today. So this is how everybody needs it, everybody uses it. So how do you then save from this kind of production and business? Okay, let's say for example you learn this production. Let's take for example like bleach. You can use 1,500 naira to produce very effective bleach, 8 liters of very effective bleach, 1,500 naira. But when you take that 1,500 naira to the market to buy a brand, you will agree with me that you are going home with 1 liter. Yes, not more than 1 liter of bleach. Even me, my own Home Magic brand sells 1 liter for 1,000 naira. So you see the difference. You see what you're saving when you do it yourself. You will use 1,500 naira to produce 8 liters of a very good quality bleach. You see how much you're saving. Have you ever sat down to calculate how much you will be saving by producing all this whole thing we use in our home yourself? Yes. Then you'll be like, how do I now make money from this business? Because our actual aim in this training is to learn how to produce it, to save money for us, at the same time make money for us. So how do I now make money? It's true that every single person uses this our products. It's true. That one you will agree with me on that. But not everybody can produce. Not everybody have the time to do it. And this is where you come in to bridge that gap for them. Yes, there are some people that don't have time to produce this thing. Then you do it for them, bridge this gap for them, serve it to them, and get paid for your skill. There are so many places you can market this our products. I have been in this business for years, and I can categorically tell you everybody uses it. People around you, everybody. You can market this our product in the church, clinics, hospital, hotels, restaurants, car wash, laundry outlets, schools, offices, homes, etc. There are so many places you can comfortably sell these our products and get paid for it. Another way you can make massive money from this production business is through customizing it as a souvenir for occasions. Ha! Man, all these things is what I am going to teach you in our training. You are going to learn how you can customize any of these products as souvenir for all occasions. Yes, a lot of people have now started embracing this our cleaning product as souvenir because it is actually very, very useful to everybody. Let's take for example, you are customizing dishwash. Dishwash is something that every household uses. If you give your guests a dishwash, they will definitely appreciate it because they need it, they use it. It's an essential product. Is it air freshener? Is it hand wash? Every single thing you can customize it. And you have a marketing strategies for it. We call it souvenir evangelism. How you can actually source for this souvenir and get them. And souvenir product is something that you sell in large quantity. You can imagine supplying 200, 150, 300 at once in an occasion. This is where the bulk of money comes in. In fact, when after this training, when you learn how to customize and source for this souvenir for occasions, after selling, you will definitely be grateful that you joined this training because it's not only to produce, is also to produce, which is quite the main thing, which is also very, very important because I am going to teach you how you can know original chemicals. Yes, I am going to you are also going to learn the chemicals to increase and to decrease to get a very quality product. Yes, because when you use a fake chemical, it can actually, is devastating. It can spoil your product, it can spoil all your productions, and it's heart-wrenching and heartbreaking. So you need to know I am going to distribute the chemical sellers numbers no matter your location. Yes, you are going to get people that can supply you quality chemicals, how to identify original chemicals to work with, which chemical to increase and decrease to get a very good quality product. Yes, because when you serve quality, of which I always stress this thing to my students, when you serve quality, when you are known for quality, people will definitely keep coming back to you. Another way you can make mad money from this our production business is by carving out another business from this. Yes, you can carve out a cleaning service business from this. You can run a cleaning brand, a cleaning company from this. I know a sister who is into this our production and she's doing very well also in her cleaning company. So even if you don't want to have a cleaning company or a cleaning brand, you can partner with them. Yes, I do it. I partner with cleaning companies, yes, I supply them with my cleaning products, and at the same time they clean. Because when you are into this production business, people will already automatically assume that you can also clean. But if you don't clean, you can link it up, you can link such contract to the cleaning company that you are partnering with. You get your commission, at the same time supply them with cleaning products that they will be using for the cleaning. So you see, production business is all very, very helpful and useful. It's a skill that when you acquire it, is going to as helpful for you throughout the life. And I always, another thing I advise my student is, pick a product, pick 2 or 3 products, and immerse yourself in it, specialize in it, as in be a pro. Because I always like my student to come out expert in production. Be a pro in it. You can pick cleaning products and be a pro in it. You can pick hair product, you can pick body product, whichever way. You can pick germicides and disinfectant as your own brand, to the extent that whenever shampoo is mentioned, your name will come into play. Just as whenever tiles cleaner is mentioned, people begin to call my name, Home Magic Woman, Home Magic Woman. So that is it. You learn all this whole skill to help fetch you money and save you money at home. And another good thing about this our training is that after the training, yes, we organize a community where you can easily interact, ask your question, connect with other students. The relationship still remains. No, I am not the type that after the training everybody scatters and go their separate ways. No, I want to hold your hand until you can stand on your own. I have a group of people that I have taught previously. They are still with me. I am always available for my students. I am always there to guide them, because I want them to stand on their own and be able to coach other people. Yes, I even have a student who is now running a hair product brand, Osland brand, and she has started coaching other people. You see, when you learn this our production very well inside this our community, when you have mastered very well, you can begin to coach. Somebody can even call you to coach him or her offline. I do it a lot. And one product, for me to coach you one product offline, for me to come to your place to coach you for just one product, something like bleach or liquid soap, you are going to pay me 25,000 naira for just one product. That won't even take me up to 2 hours or 3 hours to finish all the production. You see, I am not the one providing the chemical, just to get me to pour out my skill on you. So this is the reason why I say this training is very, very good for people who are looking for business they want to run from the comfort of their home. People who are looking for a business they can start with as little as 5,000 to 10,000 naira. This training is for you, and this business is for you. Yes, and also this training is for those who has been producing and making mistakes, because I have a student who joined my former training. Yes, and she told me that she has been producing but has never gotten it right. I told her, okay, after the training, you will see. After the training, this woman, there is no day she does not pray for me. In fact, she has already quickly registered for this training I'm telling you now. She is the number one person. She told me no, that she learned only liquid soap. She wants to learn every single thing, and so that she will not be buying all these whole things from the market. She can easily do them by herself and save money for her family. So you see, this training is for those who want to perfect in their production skill. This business is for those that are working but wants another extra income, something that is not stressful. Because this production business, you can actually do it during the weekend, and the market, you can market it in your workplaces. So if this video, or if this production, or if this training is something that is so helpful to you, you just click the link below and join our group. Yes, and join our what? Our waiting list group for more information, where you can ask your question concerning the training. Yes, the group is a free group. You can just join in. You can ask your question there. Everything you want to know. If you want to know more, everything, you just join the group and ask your question there. So, thank you.